Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to introduce you our head barista Brian. So, for today's video, Brian, what's going on? Anong ating gagawin ngayon?
This vlog, we will make calibration.
All right.
We will make latte art.
Wow, amazing. So, let's start.
I will show you our beans.
Okay.
We use Ambela, Brazil, Honduras, Yurga, and Rwanda. Those beans are roasted here in Dubai.
Oh, wow.
But
That's
this
good.
beans is
Local.
different culture.
Ah, okay.
We have our own roaster here.
All right.
This beans is for manual brewing.
Okay.
And this I recommend for milk-based coffee. This two. Yeah, Brazil, Ambela, in Honduras. Okay.
Okay, so we know already what is the beans that what we have.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. So now,
First, we need to get the
very expert.
portafilter.
Okay, can I go inside so that I can see the English wetang pala ka? Okay, so what exactly the weight for that one?
It should be like 18 to 22 grams. It depends.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Let's check.
See, now it's 24, so we need to make it balance. So
Okay.
like 21.
This is the exactly barista, guys. This is the exactly how you make the coffee. Okay, 21.6 is fine. So now, how we call that?
This one is equalizer.
Equalizer.
This one you will call tamper.
Tamper. Ito. This is before. Oh, see? Very nice.
Look at our machine. It's really nice.
Very nice. Very high tech.
Yeah, very fancy. This is called Marzocco Coffee
Oh my god, it's like a house in our country, right? Yeah. So anyways, Brian, before you pwede magtagalog ka na. Di ba nanalo ka na sa competition before? You win before in the competition. So, oh, ayan. So, galing. So, tingnan natin ngayon ang kanyang galing. So, now, anong gagawin mo? Latte or cappuccino? Yield daw. Yield.
This one should be between 26 to 30 ml.
Alright. Very, look at this. Our machine is not like a joke. Oh my god. It's very... How...
You can see the yield explains what you call yield.
Yield, alright.
The ml, the amount of the coffee espresso.
Should 20...
Between 26 to 30 ml.
Okay. So now we know, guys.
We will taste this one first.
Okay. We will see the face of Brian. So cute. Okay. Okay now. Good.
For now, I need to adjust more.
Ah, adjust. Okay.
Taste the bitterness. But it's fine.
That is fine. So for now,
Okay, use this espresso.
Yeah.
Latte art.
all right.
At the same time, so we can not wasting this coffee.
Yes, exactly.
Right?
So he will steam. What we call that?
One called steam one.
Steam one.
And I use milk.
Milk, yeah. Okay, baka naman Al-Rawabi, maybe sponsor please. Charot. Yeah. We use Al-Rawabi. Okay, anong latte art yung gusto mong gawin? At nakaraan, meron akong vlog. So, tingnan nyo guys, yung first vlog ko, gumawa siya ng Lion King. So, it's so amazing. So, now, unicorn. So, for today's vlog, unicorn. Gara talaga ng machine namin, no? Shit, talaga. Now, unicorn.
For steaming, you need too much experience on this
Yeah.
right steam.
Yeah. This is the temperature for this one. We should wait.
This one between 75 to 85.
Wow. Okay. So now let's start to latte art. This is what I want.
You need to focus. Focus.
It's creamy. Look creamy. It's not like very easy, but if you're the one to make, if I'm the one to make, I cannot make it.
Okay.
Wow! Oh my god! Exactly, unicorn!